grade ones, welcome back. This is a lesson brought to you by WorksheetCloud and my name is Teacher Di. Today we're going to be doing some maths, and if you have any questions while I'm talking, send an email to grade1@worksheetcloud.com and we'll do our best to answer your question. Okay, let's dive in. We're going to be doing lots of counting today, counting numbers, and that is so good for us working out all of our maths and our math sums. If we can count, I'm going to show you how that's really going to help us. All right, so let's practice our counting and then you're going to see in a minute how much that's going to help. All right, let's count in twos. Remember twos, we're counting in even numbers starting at 2. We're skipping over a number, next one. It's like plussing 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, let's start. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Count with me. 18, 20, 22. Can you notice the pattern? 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Let's keep going. 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Well done. Did you notice the pattern? Once you can see that they all go down in a row, it's easy to count. You can get bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, let's count in another set. Let's count in 5. So this is like 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, starting at 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 5 is 15. 20. Count with me. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Yes, 50. Well done. Did you spot that pattern? Another great pattern. Lastly, let's count in tens, which is 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes, 50. Well done. Okay, counting. Let's count. You say, Teacher Di, we've already counted. Yes, we have counted on our 100 blocks, but now we're going to count some objects. We're going to ask the question, how many? The first thing we do is we guess how many. And then you say, Teacher Di, guessing can't be right. We surely can't guess the answer. Well, you are right and you are wrong, because in maths, it's always important to make a guess in your head before you start. And the reason you do that is because once you've guessed the number, just round about, and then you actually do the work. If the two numbers are way different, you need to go back and check. So say I look over here and I say, I think this is a roughly how many wheels on these bicycles? I'm going to guess 8 or 9. Okay, I'm just looking at it and I'm guessing 8 or 9. Now I go and count them and I come back and I get an answer of 200. Now 200 is very different from 8 or 9. Now I need to check my answer. Okay, so I'm guessing 8 or 9. Do you want to guess? Don't count. It doesn't matter if you're right or wrong. Just guess. Okay, let's check. How many wheels? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. Is that close to your number? It was close to mine. So we are right. It is 10. We counted carefully. Now I want to show you, can you think of a quicker way to count? How many wheels on one bicycle? 2. Let's count in twos. Shall we do that? It'll be quicker. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Do you see? That's what I wanted to show you. If you know your counting, you can do your maths much faster and you can check your answer. There, we've checked it twice. It is 10. Whoa, how many now? Let's guess. Well, the last one was 10 and this is more. I'm going to guess around 12 or 13. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, we counted 14. It's very close to what we thought. We must be right. Let's check our answer by counting in twos. 2, 4, 6. Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Awesome. We can count in twos because there are 2 wheels on a bike. Okay, whoa, that's a lot. Quickly guess, how many do you think? I think 18. What do you think? Okay, let's check. Now there's so many. I think it's just quicker to count in twos. Shall we just skip the counting in ones and do that? Okay, try keep up with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Hey, we were right. 18 wheels. And we counted in twos, so that took us no time at all. Now, if you feel a bit nervous because you don't normally count like that, just go back and check your answer quickly in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There we go. Okay, let's count our fingers. We're counting fingers, right? So, there we go. How many fingers do you think? Okay, you think about that answer. Guess. Don't count, just guess. Okay, hold that answer in your head. Now we're going to go and count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, 15 fingers. What did you guess? Was the answer close? Did you even get the right answer? Well done. Now, can you think of a quicker way we could have counted these fingers? Because that took us quite a while. How about counting in fives? Shall we do that? There are 5 fingers on a hand. We know that. Let's try. 5, 10, 15. There we go. And that took us half the amount of time. 5, 10, 15. There we go. Well done. You see how counting helps us. Let's do some more. Guess how many fingers? Okay. I've got the number in my head. You guess quickly. Any number? Okay, let's try. Shall we just go straight into counting in fives? Because it looks like a lot of fingers. Shall we do that? Let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. There we go. We think the answer's 25. We just counted in fives because we know there are 5 fingers on a hand, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now maybe you got a bit lost somewhere in the middle there because that is a lot of fingers. So maybe we should just go back and check. Should we do that? Let's quickly count in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Did you get that? So we've got 25. It's close to the one we guessed. We've counted in fives and we've counted them. So we're quite sure that's the answer. Now you probably have to count a lot at school or in your workbooks. So it's really great to practice and to practice using the way that we count at the beginning of a maths lesson to help us. Will you remember that when you're doing big counting? See if you can count a little bit quicker by using the strategies that we learn when we count at the beginning of the lesson. They're a really great skill. Okay, whoa, last one. How many fingers? I don't know. We could count to make it quicker. What can we count in? We can count in fives. Shall we do that? Oh, first we have to guess. Okay, you guess how many? I'm going to guess 60. I don't know. Maybe. What do you guess? Okay. Shall we count? You have to count with me, all right? In fact, I think you should do the counting this time. I'm not going to say anything. Count in fives. 5. What was your answer? I'm not going to tell you what I got because I want you to do it again a different way. I just noticed that if you've got 2 hands together, you've got 10, isn't it? So we could actually count in tens to check the answer that you got. Shall we do it? Let's count. 10, that's 2 hands, 20, 30, 40, 50. Is that what you got? 50. There you go. You can count in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Or you can count in tens. Now, don't worry if you got that wrong. You can go back and check just by counting in normal ones. Or maybe now you realize you need to go right back to the beginning of the video and practice a little bit with your counting. Okay, well done. Thank you so much for joining me right through all of that counting. It kind of sent our heads spinning, hey? Okay, well, it was lovely to have you with me again. Thank you for joining me. This beautiful lesson brought to you by WorksheetCloud.